Hi, Tony Shives coming to you from All Things Automotive. Like it or not, winter is right around the corner, and they're telling me it's going to be a bad one. I hope the Farmer's Almanac is wrong. There's a few things that you can do to be prepared for winter. Check your battery. Batteries fail in extreme cold and extreme heat. Check your antifreeze. Check your belts. Check your fluids. Check your wiper blades. There's a lot of things we can do. Check your tires. Not only just the depth of them, but the pressures. Pressures do matter when it comes to winter. Don't ever let anybody tell you that there's a difference between winter and air and summer air, because there's not, but that's a big joke that we all have. Those are all things that we'll check and do for you for free. Come in, schedule an oil change. Give us a call, 717-485-4224. Thank you.